family gobble. It rained and stormed last night. It's really wet. So I don't know how well they would gobble this morning. But I'm gonna make my way to the top of this ridge to where I can hear off both sides. Because if there was one on the other side, I'd have never heard it. But most of the time they roost on this side. So anyways, I'm gonna go up here and set up and set for about an hour and see if something gobbles. And if it doesn't, I'm gonna go meet up with my buddy Brandon and his son Cade and go to their property and see if we can't call Cade in a bird this morning after Brandon gets off work. So let's make it up to the top of the hill and go from there. See what happens. Yeah. Dude, I just shot him.
You're kidding.
I walked to the top of this hill and made a call and a bird gobbled. And I was like, you gotta be kidding. I hit it again, he gobbled again. I set up in 5 minutes. He's right on top of me, him and another one. And I ended up killing him. I never heard a bird gobble this morning.
Well,
Talking about happening fast. Look at that. Good hooks, good sharp hooks. Red tail fan. Man. Whew. So after missing that bird yesterday, buddy, I've been low. And if you're a turkey hunter, you know that feeling. But this morning I come in here to this place, was going to bring my grandson, and he decided he didn't want to come. And so I came over here and I sat over the ridge down at the bottom because they normally roost right here. And nothing gobbled on the roost. So I started making my way up the hill, called a buddy of mine and told him I was going to come over here in about an hour and take him and his son, and hopefully his son would get on a bird. And I was going to come up here and call and see if I could get something to gobble. And so I hung the phone up, got to the top up here, hit the call, and I heard a bird gobble back over the ridge but out to my right. And so I made my way right here. I was about right here. And I hit it again, and he gobbled again, so I went down and set up. It started raining, and my call got wet. My pot call got wet, but I didn't have my mouth call in. So I just sat there and was hoping that he would gobble before he come up over. And this bird just happened to show up right here. I don't know if he circled. I don't know if it was the same bird gobbling and he circled. But he got right here, and he was getting ready to walk in the opening, and he saw something he didn't like down there, and he started putting. Well, I didn't know there was two. So anyways, I was hoping the camera was on him, but after yesterday, man, I put the bead on him, pulled the trigger, and a bird flew up, and I thought I'd missed him, and then I saw this one flopping. Holy cow, what a morning. Man. Whew, great day. Man, what a morning. I can't believe them jokers started gobbling after not gobbling on the roost. If they had been roosted on this side, which is a possibility for these two birds, I would have never heard them anyways. But that bird, which I think it was two total different birds, but I think that bird was roosted over there and just never gobbled on the roost. So I'm gonna get this dude out of here and get him checked in, get him out of here, and go to my buddy Brandon's and see if we can't get them on a bird. So let's see what we can make happen. Man, look at that copper in there. Man, that's pretty. He's got copper in his wings. Ten and 3/4. Inch and an eighth spurt. £19, 12 ounces. There we go. All right, let's go meet Brandon. Man, I just want to thank God for the ability and the health to come out here and chase these wild turkeys, man.